Sarasota Tower, 623 Delta is ready, so I'm going to land.
Delta Airlines over there somewhere. Straight in front of me. And descending from 23,000. Got 14 minutes to go.
Number 23 Delta to 7,100, Asheville Airport, 3 o'clock.
Okay, looking for the airport and 7,100.
Number 23 Delta, turn right heading 360.
Right, 360.
Number 23 Delta to 6,000, turn right heading 070.
070, 6,000.
Entering 2 Victor Mike, radar service is terminated. Squawk and maintain VFR, frequency change approval, see ya.
1-2 Victor Mike, talk to you later.
Number 23 Delta, Asheville Airport, 3 o'clock, 10 miles.
Okay, I finally see it, 10 miles, thanks, 623 Delta.
Number 23 Delta, clear visual approach runway 16.
Cleared for visual 16, 623 Delta.
Number 623 Delta, contact tower 121.1.
To tower 121.1. Asheville Tower, November 623 Delta's with you.
November 623 Delta, Asheville Tower 13405, runway 16, clear to land, traffic will depart Friday arrival.
Cleared to land 16, 623 Delta.
Wisconsin 4014, Asheville Tower 13505, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Runway 16, clear for takeoff, Wisconsin 4014.
$500.
November 23 Delta, turn left at Mike, taxi to the ramp via Alpha, monitor ground point honor.
Point honor at Mike, 623 Delta. Asheville ground, 623 Delta's with you.
And Malibu 23 Delta, taxi to the ramp with me.
Okay, cleared Alpha.